Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really handy feature, how to add a Read More button on your Wix website in 2025. If you've ever wanted to keep your web pages neat and organized, or just make longer sections of text collapsible for your visitors, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up and give your readers a much smoother browsing experience. Let's dive in together. First, head over to your Wix website design. Just log in and select the site you want to work on. Now we'll want to add a new element to your page. You'll see the Add Elements button, usually located at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click that. A whole panel will pop out with tons of options. Don't let it overwhelm you. For what we need, just look for text. Once you click on text, pay attention to the list and select something called Collapsible Text. This is Wix's special tool for making that Read More section. When your visitors click on it, more content slides out for them to read. Now simply drag and drop the collapsible text box right onto your design where you want it to appear. It's sort of like moving a sticky note onto a bulletin board. You can place it exactly where it fits best on your layout. If you're not sure about placement, don't worry. You can always move it later or duplicate it for other sections. Next, click on the collapsible text box you just added and select Change Text. Here, where the fun starts, because Wix gives you two main options. Expand and Link. For our Read More button, select the Expand and Close option. What this does is allow visitors to see the full text, then click again to collapse it. It's intuitive and it keeps everything looking clean, especially useful if you have FAQs, product descriptions, or blog posts that tend to get a little bit lengthy. Once you've set how your text expands, let's move on to styling. Click Change Design. This panel lets you really customize how the collapsible text looks and feels on your site. You can adjust the line spacing and character spacing to make the content easier to read. Just remember, good spacing makes your text less cluttered and improves readability. You also have control over fonts and font colors. Maybe you want to match your brand's colors or just make the section pop a bit more. Wix also lets you add animation effects. This is a small but impactful touch. Imagine a smooth fade in or slide down when a visitor clicks Read More. It makes your site feel modern and interactive. Play around with these settings until you find a style that fits your vibe. And that's it. You now have a professional-looking Read More section on your Wix site. It's these little features that make your website feel more engaging and user-friendly, and your visitors will definitely notice the attention to detail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other features you'd like to learn about on Wix. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.